you ready for an adventure that will take you far beyond our solar system? Let's begin our journey 635 light-years away from Earth to discover Kepler-22b. Scientists call it an exoplanet located within the habitable zone of a star similar to our Sun outside of our solar system. This means that holds the potential for human life too. So, could it be the new frontier for colonization? Nestled in a prime position around its host star, Kepler-22b could be the closest thing we have to a second Earth. Imagine the possibilities if this distant world offered conditions similar to our own. This thought alone has piqued the interest of scientists and space enthusiasts worldwide. How did scientists even spot a planet so far away in the vastness of space? That's a good question. Detecting exoplanets isn't easy, especially when their stars are so much brighter. Researchers cleverly used the transit method, closely watching the star Kepler-22 for any changes in brightness. As the exoplanet passed in front of the star, it momentarily dimmed the star's light, signaling the presence of Kepler-22b. This method allowed scientists to estimate the planet's size and orbit. Could this type of observation help us discover even more exoplanets in the future? So what makes Kepler-22b so intriguing? It has a mass 36 times that of Earth and a radius 2.5 times larger. A year on Kepler-22b spans just 290 Earth days, and its orbit is 15% closer to its star than ours is to the Sun. But Kepler-22b's star is cooler and smaller, meaning the planet experiences a more temperate climate. And what about temperature? The temperatures on Kepler-22b could range from 15 to 22 degrees Celsius, 6 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Much like a pleasant spring day on Earth. Does this mean the planet could offer a comfortable climate for future human settlers? But before you pack your bags, let's consider the potential challenges that come with this new world. What if Kepler-22b is rotating on its side? Similar to Uranus, this positioning could create extreme shifts in temperature, leaving its poles in constant darkness or sunlight for half a year. What would it mean for human life if this were the case? Such drastic conditions could pose serious challenges for any settlers, including potentially lethal temperature fluctuations. Could our technology and ingenuity help us navigate these issues? Is there a silver lining to this mysterious world? Absolutely. Recent studies suggest Kepler-22b may be covered in a 50-meter deep ocean. This vast body of water could act as a natural climate controller, moderating the planet's temperature swings. The ocean's ability to absorb heat in the summer and release it in the winter could help stabilize the climate. Could living near this alien sea offer the same comforts as a coastal town on Earth? So, how could you make the journey to Kepler-22b? At the speed of light, it would still take you 635 years to reach your destination. Could hibernation technology, such as cryogenic sleep, help you endure such a long trip? Cryogenic sleep involves lowering your body temperature to around 32 degrees Celsius, 89 degrees Fahrenheit, triggering a state of natural hibernation. Your body would receive nutrients and have waste removed through catheters during the journey. Can you imagine sleeping through centuries of interstellar travel? Once you arrive, what unexpected surprises might await you? The gravity on Kepler-22b could be much stronger than Earth's. Are you prepared to handle the increased weight of everything, including yourself? To cope with this, settlers might need to bulk up and strengthen their muscles significantly. Intense strength training would increase your chances of being able to move around safely on Kepler-22b. But how can you maintain your hard-earned strength during your long journey? How would life from Earth fare on Kepler-22b? Plants and animals might struggle to adapt to the higher gravity and different conditions. Would we need to engineer new species to thrive in this distant world? Higher gravity might drive creatures to develop additional limbs or alter the size and location of their organs. The mysteries deepen as scientists continue to study this faraway planet. What kind of world would you find on Kepler-22b? It could be rocky like Venus, with a dense atmosphere and scorching temperatures. Or it might be more like Neptune, a gas giant, or a world completely covered in water? How could you establish a home in such environments? Cloud cities, underwater towns, or underground shelters? A rocky planet with a dense atmosphere might pose challenges similar to those on Venus, such as intense heat and greenhouse gases. A gas planet would present an entirely different set of challenges, as would a world entirely covered in water. Could these potential scenarios shape our strategy for exploring and colonizing new planets? As you ponder these questions and imagine the wonders of Kepler-22b, remember that Earth is our most perfect home. While exploring other worlds is an exciting prospect, our planet provides the ideal conditions for human life. Could Kepler-22b offer the same promise? Stay curious and keep dreaming of the possibilities that lie beyond our solar system. There's so much more to discover. Let's continue our journey of exploration on another episode of Think Beyond.